all together.
Hello and welcome to the EnOcean Alliance at the CES 2019 in Las Vegas. I'm very happy to see a large number of EnOcean Alliance members showing the technology here.
Welcome to EnOcean booth at CES 2019, where we're launching battery-free innovative solutions for lighting, HVAC, and security.
The idea is getting the EnOcean. We have a full catalog of compatible devices that are available today, mostly around the thermal control, and the idea is that we can mix and merge most of them.
As a provider of the platform for professionals, we are working with multiple different protocols, and since EnOcean is one of the world's most important protocols, we are certainly supporting EnOcean deeply in our architecture.
I'm very proud to be here for the 5th time at CES Las Vegas, and specifically here on this booth which promote the air-to-air standard. EnOcean Alliance is also supporting ready-to-service. Why? Because both we promote interoperability.
You'll be with by Deselect, and we introduce in Ready-to-Service Connect our range of product ecosystem, EnOcean ecosystem, complete ecosystem.
If you're interested in finding out more about the exciting developments in the EnOcean ecosystem, please visit our website, enocean-alliance.org.